Hey bro, the alarm blares. Another day, another battle. You look in the mirror, searching for someone who can pull you out of this. You scroll through endless feeds, hoping for a mentor, a lottery win, a sudden opportunity to swoop in and change everything. But the truth, the quiet, terrifying truth is this: nobody is coming to save you. This isn't a pessimistic statement. It is the most liberating truth you will ever hear. It is the end of waiting. It is the beginning of everything. We are raised on fairy tales, on stories of heroes arriving just in time, on promises that if we are good, someone will recognize our worth and grant us our happy ending. But that is fiction. And in the real world, this belief is a poison. It makes you passive. It makes you a spectator in your own life. You defer action, you delay growth, and you drown in resentment, all because you are holding out for an intervention that will never arrive. The hero you are waiting for is trapped inside you, paralyzed by the illusion of external rescue. Look at your life right now. What are you waiting for? Are you waiting for permission to start that business? Are you waiting for someone to notice your talent and give you the promotion? Are you waiting for a partner to complete you, or a friend to pull you out of your loneliness? Every moment you spend waiting is a moment you surrender your power. The universe is not a benevolent parent. It is a mirror. It reflects back to you the effort you put in. It responds to action, not to hope. The only person with a vested interest in your salvation is you, and you are not a side character in someone else's epic. You are the protagonist. The systems around us reinforce this passivity. We are taught to outsource our well-being, to doctors for health, to gurus for wisdom, to governments for security, to corporations for employment. We are encouraged to be cogs, not creators of our own destiny. And while these external structures can offer support, they cannot offer salvation. They cannot give you purpose. They cannot give you courage. They cannot give you the drive to get up when you fall. Those qualities must be forged within you. This is not about being a lone wolf. It's about being accountable for your own journey. You can build a team. You can find mentors. You can learn from the wisdom of others. But ultimately, the decision to climb the mountain, to endure the storm, to take the first step into the unknown, that decision belongs to you and only you. The moment you truly internalize, "Nobody is coming to save me," a profound shift occurs. The excuses start to evaporate. The blame game loses its appeal. The endless waiting transforms into urgent action, because if nobody is coming to save you, then you are free to save yourself. You are free to define your own values. You are free to build your own path, however unconventional. You are free to fail, knowing that only you can pick yourself back up. You are free to succeed, knowing that every victory is genuinely your own. This realization is not a burden. It is a gift. It is the blueprint for true autonomy. It demands everything from you, but it gives you everything in return: your agency, your dignity, and your unshakable resolve. Stop looking over your shoulder. Stop scanning the horizon. The cavalry isn't coming. It was always meant to be you. You are the hero of your own story. And the story begins the moment you accept that truth. This is the Mirror Reality. Subscribe and let's face the truth together.